MAM Pacifiers, Newborn Pacifier, Best Pacifier for by MAM is one of the best sellers among baby pacifiers products. Calms and soothes newborn babies. The manufacturer's MAM Pacifier nipple is designed by parents and medical experts to feel like mother's breast to relax newborn babies. Easy cleaning. MAM pacifiers sterilize in the microwave in the case they come within 3 minutes, perfect for travel and on the go. Carrying case. MAM pacifiers come with a reusable pacifier carrying case that is perfect for keeping your MAM pacifiers clean on the go. Always right side up, symmetrical nipple so pacifier can never be inserted the wrong way. Other pacifiers, NUC pacifier, Dr. Brown's pacifier, Playtex pacifier, with asymmetrical nipples need to be manually adjusted by parents to soothe baby and can negatively affect oral development when positioned incorrectly. Designed to prevent skin irritation, MAM pacifiers feature large air holes to allow air to reach baby's skin to reduce irritation. Curved shield and innovative bumps on inner shield surface prevent pacifier from laying completely flush to baby's face, keeping drool from becoming trapped against skin. MAM's newborn pacifier is the ideal pacifier for newborns and the best baby pacifier for breastfed babies. Their skin-soft nipples are perfectly sized for newborns and designed with parents and medical experts to closely resemble the breast for easy acceptance and a natural feel. In fact, 94% of babies accept the MAM skin-soft nipple. Both parents and babies can relax with MAM pacifiers since they are especially designed to comfort baby while promoting proper oral development. Market research 2009 to 2017 with 1,508 babies.